Hello guys from Limburg Railways and welcome. This is my first special video. Today I'm gonna do the V90, but just not the V90. It's gonna pull by a request from Quinton's Models. I mean, this old wrecked Mat 45 from the Dutch Railways, and the meaning of this video is just I'm gonna ride the V90 over this bit, and it's gonna go here. It's gonna pick up this train that's going to be demolished by a company, and as you can see, it's got all graffiti over, and just all some kind of bunch, and oh, those pencil cars, everything is wrecked on this train. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna wreck this train's gonna be wrecked, and because it's old and broken. This is for just I actually don't know what this means. If somebody knows why, please help me. So just put in the comments. Maybe BB96 knows what this is, or Quinton Models himself. So let's get it on. I'm not sure if it's gonna do it without that it's stopping. Let's see. Oh, she made it. Nice. Now the trains are journeying when they're going over that bit. So now she's going to pick up the Mat 45. Oh, wait, I forgot to put the VS64 off, so just give me a moment. Great, now it's off. Let's get on. Let's see. There she goes. I'm gonna do the rest myself. No, I'm not gonna. Actually, need to do this with two hands, but gonna do multitasking. Oh wait, it's not. Oh man, it's not picking. This is not working. Wait a sec, I'm gonna pick another wagon. That one is a bit better, so give me a moment again. Okay, great. Now it's got the good wagon. Not that one, but the good wagon. Like that. Beautiful. Let's get on. Shuddering a bit, but there she goes. Switching from remote. Push her a bit. It's not going. There she goes. Putting the beautiful old wrecked Mat 45. Now let's make speed from this. Oh, that works. She wants to do it. Now it does. Oh, damn. Whoops. Gonna fix this up real quick. Sorry again for the interruption. Sorry for the interruption, but now it's all fixed, and now she can go to the company where she can be wrecked into little pieces or make a new train from it. So let's go with the demolition train. Push a bit. V90 is not having his best day. There she goes. Also, these trains ride very slowly when they're pulling a train like that. So that's it. This is now its maximum speed it's going. Look at that. There goes the old wrecked Mat 45 to the demolition company. Let's get on with the beautiful shots as always. There she goes, old wrecked Mat 45. Whoa, she stopped. Something is wrong. Let me fix quick. Okay, sorry guys, something was wrong with the signal. She got in a little error. But now, there again. Whoa, 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 she let loose. Whoopsie, whoopsie. Ah, she's not running that great. Some errors, and even now she let it loose. Come on. Great, that's fixed up. One last time on the remote. And then I'm gonna stop it. I hope that you all like it, Quentin, from Quentin's Models. I'm gonna put a link in the description on his channel. Really like that guy, and hope you enjoyed this ride with the V90 Roco, and on the back the Demolition train, or better called as the old wrecked Mat 45. A little fact about the Mat 45: it was in its earlier days with that yellow thing there. Can't get a better shot. And the what is there? The cap of it. That was the other part, Mat 45 with the engine. But that train is really wrecked. You can't do anything with that. And I also want to keep it not sell it. So this is the only part I have with that wagon over there. But I'm not gonna talk anymore, and let's do its last lap on this track and stop this. That's it for today. Let's stop the V90. So we can call it we can call it now that it's sort of at the company where this train is going to be demolished. But that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, especially Quentin's Models request for this. Hope you really enjoyed it. So if you do, like and subscribe. Also subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna put a link in the description for that. And yeah, hope to see some more action with this beauty, but with other things. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.